Hello, hello. Hi, my honeys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my honeys. If you're new to my channel, hello. My name is Yesenia. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys like today's video. I will be bringing you guys along with me. Today we are going to Bath and Body Works. We're gonna shop around in there. And we will be putting up my Christmas tree today. So yeah, thank you again for clicking on my video, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye. You guys, I'm all greñuda now. So today Bath and Body Works tiene a sale, $4.95 I believe it is, for body care. Oh my gosh. Mira como quedé. I was all running. So, my luck. So, I like this store donde está esta tienda. I'm like maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes away from this store. So, I was like, it's my day off today. I came over here. I was like, okay, I'm strictly only going for that. Y vine, right? 30, 40 minute drive. So, I get here and I'm like shopping in there. The power goes out, you guys. The power went out. Like, my luck. Ay, ¿qué voy a hacer? And and today's the last day too. Ahora es el último día for that sale. So, and I really wanted to get stuff, you know, like I love their lotions. Ay, I'm so sad. I was like, ya tenía mi bolsa a la mitad. Like, I was shopping. Like, I was here to shop, you know? I'm so sad. Y luego, it started pouring. And me, I'm so smart, right? Me traje una jacket que ni siquiera tiene a hood. So, it don't even have a hood. I'm over here running to my car. Thank goodness I didn't park that far. But, you guys, like, the weather is bad. Like, I don't even know why I came over here. Like, I'm crazy for a sale, like a 40-minute drive just to get lotions. Like, girl, what are you thinking? Like, look, I'm gonna flip. I can't even talk. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks outside. You guys. It's bad. I don't even know qué estaba pensando. En vez de que me quedara en mi casita, chill, relax with my hot chocolate. No. Aquí quiere venir la mujer acá a andar de shopping y wasting money, que ni siquiera, porque ya Santa Claus ya vino en mi casa y como que gastó mucho dinero Santa Claus. You guys. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna show you guys something. So before, let me flip the camera. And then too, because I'm trying to, I don't know where to put you guys. I'm gonna put you guys right here. Okay, you guys. So I put you guys on this thing right here. I don't have a car mount, a phone mount. So I hope que Santa Claus me lo traiga este año. Oh my god, you guys, I can't believe this happened to me. I had the worst luck, man. So, una cosa que les iba a decir though, like one thing I was going to tell you guys, que before I came here, I was like, all chills, like, oh, voy a ir a Starbucks, voy a agarrarme mi cafecito, y me voy a ir de shopping, right? Well, as soon as I got here, I was like, ooh, I'm going to take my first sip of coffee. Well, I took a sip of my coffee, and it was freaking hot. Oh my gosh, y me quemé my lip, right? So I was like, oh, pues aquí lo voy a dejar, right? I'm going to leave it here while I go inside, shop, come back so that it's, you know, okay for me to drink. Like, this has never happened to me before. Y mi café estaba bien caliente, so lo dejé aquí. So then I went inside, and then that happened. And then I came back out, and my coffee is still hot. ¿Qué voy a hacer, you guys? Like, it's literally hot. Like, my hand hurts holding it like this. Even through this, it's like hot. Like, se siente caliente. So, I can only drink it like little by little, you know? Like, no puedo darle like big gulp like how I normally like. Es que tenía unas ganas de mi cafecito and like shop and chill. Like, no girl, no, not today. Diosito es un sign de Diosito que me dice, girl, vete para atrás para tu casa and don't even think about it. He's like, llévate tu café y vete para tu casa. All right, guys, I'm gonna go home and yeah. So I wanted to record this video and like this vlog and bring you guys along with me, and I had to start it this way. Oh my goodness. So today I'm gonna go home now because me dijeron, they told me at the door that they didn't know how long it was gonna be till like the power came back on y no sé qué. So unfortunately I'm gonna have to go and do it online, and yeah, so voy a poner mi orden online, and I guess I'm gonna have to wait for it to get to my house. I already did that with the candles, you know how they did the candle day. So ya lo ordené, me acaba de llegar actually right before I left the house today. So yeah, I'm going to have to do the same with the lotions. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Y luego otra cosa too, because right now, as soon as I get home, I will be bringing you guys along with me a little bit here and there. I'm going to be finally decorating for Christmas. You guys, ay, este año, I feel like I'm just like, I don't know, like I haven't been myself maybe, I don't know. Pero I'm finally putting up the Christmas tree 9 days late. I feel like I really wanted to put up the Christmas tree like literally like el primero de diciembre. I wanted to do it, or like at least a day after Thanksgiving, pero no se pudo. So ahora es el 9 de diciembre y voy a poner mi arbolito por fin. So yeah, y mi hija ya sacó todo de mi attic, so because we had everything upstairs. So yeah, wish me luck. I have extra Christmas decorations that I will be putting up, so I'm super excited. And yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'll see you guys as soon as I get home, because con este weather, I can't like talk and drive at the same time. Hence, I'm still parked here talking to you guys. So yeah, me voy a tomar un poquito mi cafecito y me voy para mi casa y allá los miro. Bye. Hi. I'm just kidding. Ya llegué a la casa. So I'm home now. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit que me puse so I can decorate my house. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this moment forever. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm wearing this shirt right here, and then I have my PJs. It's my Christmas PJs con gatitos, of course. And then I have my little pantuflas too. Epi right here is all doing marometas. But yeah, I'm super comfy and I'm loving these PJs. They're so soft. Let me see if you can see it. Hold on. Okay, can you see? It's like the soft material. I don't know. I got them at Walmart. They're like $12, I think. So yeah, if you guys want to go get some, go before they're all out. No, I'm just kidding. Let me show you guys Epi, because he's like, se está haciendo como marometas and stuff. Like, I think he thinks I'm talking to him. I don't know. Pero está bien volado aquí on the floor. Watch. I'm going to show you guys. So, as soon as I was going to record him, he jumped up there. So, he will be there forever now. He loves this spot. Le gusta bien mucho subirse ahí arriba and look out the window. That's his go-to spot. So, yeah. He's going to be there for a while. Let's get started. Yee! You guys, I'm going to put some music on. Una musiquita así para ya, como así de Christmas. So just to get in the spirit, the holiday spirit, I mean, even though I'm already super excited to put everything out, estoy bien super excited. So, nomás quería ponerme una musiquita nomás para, you know, with the spirit and with my cafecito and all that good stuff. So, yeah. Here. Y'all, there's a spider on my ceiling. You guys, it's right there. Can you guys see it? I'm scared. You guys, my candles melted. You guys, look what I found. Oh my god. So I'm all done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.